Welcome back to the channel. I'm Joshua. So today we are going to see about the important update from VFS Global. Today morning, the officials from VFS Global, they conducted a webinar throughout the world to announce their strategic way of opening during this post-COVID session. So in that they told about the safety procedures that they will follow during the visa application process, and also they answered some frequently asked questions. So that's what we are going to see today. So let's get into the video. So first we will see about the safety procedure that will be in place during the visa application process. The first is everyone should wear face mask and gloves. So it's a mandatory thing for everyone. It's in every place now, so it's a common thing. And then the second is everyone should have a Arogya Setu app. So you know that already Indian government has told that whenever you are traveling in the airlines, you should have a Arogya Setu app. So have that in your phone, guys. The third thing is temperature check and no contact screening check. So there will be a temperature check at the entrance. The fourth thing is 2-meter spacing inside the VFS center. So inside the VFS center, you will be having a 2-meter spacing, which is a common norm nowadays. And the fifth thing is safe handling of documents. So they don't actually get your documents in the hands. They will have a tray, so you have to submit in that, and whatever things that they are giving to you, they will keep it in the tray, so you have to take it from that. And so the next is there will be hand sanitizer placed everywhere inside the VFS center. So you will have access to hand sanitizer inside the VFS centers everywhere, so that's not a problem. Next we will look at which VFS centers will be taking UK visa applications in India. So the first is Ahmedabad, and then in Bangalore, the Global Tech Park only, in Chandigarh, in Jalandhar, in Kochi, in Hyderabad, Kolkata, Mumbai, New Delhi, Shivaji Metro Stadium only, and in Pune. So they didn't mention about Chennai. The Chennai centers, I hope they will open soon, because for Ireland visa they announced that they will open from 6th of July. So we will hope that in Chennai also they will open for UK visas soon. The VFS Global has implemented a new service. I mean, it's not a new service, but it was there for a long time, but people were not aware of that. It is very useful during this COVID time, because there are a lot of lockdowns in cities and in towns. So we can use this service. So this is the visa at your doorstep. So you can just normally book your visa appointment online, and you should select visa at your doorstep. So for some extra amount, they will directly come to your doorstep, and they will collect your documents and biometrics from your house. So wherever you are in India, you can just give your address, so and the time and the date. So they will just come on that date, and they will collect your documents, and they will collect your biometrics in your home, and then they will ask you to get a courier service. So when your visa is stamped, or when the embassy is returning your passport, it will directly come to your house. So you don't have to go anywhere, guys. You can take the visa at doorstep and the courier service. So you don't have to go anywhere. You can just sit in your house and you can get your visa. This service is there in VFS for a long time, but I think this is a very useful one during this COVID situation. So you don't have to worry that you don't have a VFS center in your town or in your city. You can directly apply in the VFS website, and then you can just click visa at your doorstep, and they will directly come to your house and do everything, and you don't have to worry about anything else. So these are the main updates that they have given. So those who have got their visas around March or April, and they couldn't travel and their visa got expired. So you have to contact the VFS center. For UK, you have to send an email to this email ID. After that, you have to contact your VFS center. So the VFS center will guide you what you have to do to get your new visa. You don't have to pay anything, but if you're submitting your passport again using visa at doorstep, you have to pay the amount for the visa at doorstep and the amount for collecting your passport through courier. So these are the main things that were discussed during the webinar, guys. I hope this update was very useful for you. Let's meet in another video. Until then, goodbye, cheers.